From working at home to streaming 4K video and online gaming, high-speed connectivity is vital to our daily lives. To give the customers the high-quality service they need, bidirectional testing helps to improve first-time installs and provide the techs with the more accurate reading of their network. Instead of carrying multiple pieces of equipment, having to perform multiple tests, and dealing with multiple reports, Fiber Complete from VIAVI combines all into one connection, one automated process, and one consolidated report. Technicians have access to an automated continuity check, insertion loss and optical return with pass and fail feedback, OTDR test, and distance measurement. Fiber Complete also means that technicians aren't needed on both ends of a test. This allows new techs to be deployed quicker. You can even test bidirectionally from just one device using the loopback feature of VIAVI OTDRs. VIAVI, smarter testing for you.